We know that every design professional works a little bit differently. That's why we have created Design Folders, a flexible way for you to categorize information that is important to you. Design folders can be used to assist you organizing your ideas and concepts or structuring your product options for the projects you work on. Any design folder you create can be easily found on your home feed, or from any page on Archify by hovering over the user menu in the top right-hand corner. From your personal design folder page, you can sort your existing folders by newest added and by alphabetical order. You can also create new design folders and subfolders. Subfolders are useful when you are wanting to segment your design ideas. This can come in handy when working on project briefs. For example, if you were working on a hotel project, you might create subfolders for the hotel rooms, lobby area, bathrooms, etc., and add relevant product options and photos to them. You can add any photo or product image from Archify to your design folders or subfolder. Simply hover over the folder icon on the top right-hand corner of any image and click Add to Design Folder. You will then have the option to choose which design folder or subfolder you would like the image saved to, or create a new folder. For product images, all associated technical and specification information will be saved in your design folder as well. You can convert any design folder into a mood board to create a visual overview of your work, or to a spec sheet to get a list of technical information for each selected product to assist with your specification process. Alternatively, you can click on the icon at the bottom right corner of each design folder's thumbnail to create a new mood board and spec sheet. You can also duplicate the design folder that you have created for your next project without having the need to resave all the images and products. To delete an unused design folder, click the X button at the top right corner of the design folder's thumbnail. A notification will pop up to confirm your action before deleting it permanently. If you wish to save your own 3D rendering, image references, or other products that are not available on Archify to your design folder or subfolder, you can click on Upload Images button and browse the files from your local drive.